Welcome to Jove. Let's take a look at how you can upload a SCORM file to Brightspace. Sign in to your Jove account. Navigate to the Education tab. Go to Jove Quiz. Go to My Quizzes. Select a quiz. Click on Download as SCORM. Log in to Brightspace. Navigate to your course. Click on the Add Existing button. Choose SCORM or XAP Object. Click on Bulk Upload button. Upload the previously downloaded file. Give your SCORM file a name. You can choose whether you want the SCORM file to play in a new window or embedded within the existing window. Click on the Next button once you are done with your selections. Choose the SCORM file you just uploaded. Click on Next button. Click on the Add button. Launch the quiz. Make it visible to students by clicking on the Visibility toggle button. That's it. Thank you for watching.